In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points, Windows and Mac. Google Sheets doesn't include a built-in bullet button, and some classic shortcuts can accidentally trigger browser or system actions, especially on laptops. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to insert clean, consistent bullet points on a Mac, on a Windows desktop with a number pad, and on a Windows laptop without one. Place your cursor where you want the bullet in your cell and follow along. If you're on a Mac, the fastest method is simple. Hold the Option key and press 8. You'll instantly insert a solid bullet right where your cursor is. Type a space after the bullet so your text doesn't stick to it, and then type your list item. Anytime you need another bullet, repeat Option plus 8 at the start of the next line or cell. If it doesn't appear, double-check that you're using the Option key and the number 8 on your main keyboard. On a Windows desktop with a full number pad, you can use the classic Alt code. Hold Alt and type 7 on the numeric keypad, then release Alt. That inserts a bullet character. Make sure you're using the dedicated keypad on the right side of your keyboard, not the number row along the top. If your keyboard has a numlock key, it should be enabled so the keypad registers numbers correctly. After the bullet appears, add a space and start typing your item. Laptop users, here's your reliable method. Press the Windows key and the period key together. This opens the emoji and symbol panel. At the top, select the Symbols tab. Scroll a little until you see bullet options, like the solid dot or open circle. Click the style you want, and it's inserted exactly where your cursor sits in Google Sheets. You can keep this panel open as you add multiple bullets. Just click again each time you need one. Explore nearby options if you want square bullets or other simple markers, then close the panel when you're done. If it closes by accident, press Windows key plus period again to bring it back. That's all there is to it. On a Mac, use Option plus 8. On a Windows desktop with a number pad, use Alt plus 7. And on a Windows laptop, open the emoji and symbol panel with Windows key plus period, choose symbols, and pick your bullet. Now, your lists can stay clean and organized no matter what computer you're using. Follow for more Google Sheets tips.